If you've been fueling up at Chevron, you might be wondering if their mobile app is actually worth using in 2025. Let's break it down in this review. The Chevron Mobile App is designed to make your gas station visits smoother. You can pay for gas directly from your phone, earn rewards, and even find nearby stations easily. Setup is pretty straightforward. You link your payment method, activate the app at the pump, and you're good to go. One of the biggest highlights is the Chevron Texaco Rewards program. Every time you pay through the app, you're stacking points, which can lead to discounts on future fuel purchases. For regular drivers, those cents add up over time, especially with bonus promotions that run occasionally. The app also supports contactless payments, which is great for convenience and safety. Plus, you can access your receipts instantly, track fuel expenses, and manage your rewards balance in real time. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The app experience can be location-dependent. Some stations are better integrated than others. And while the interface is clean, there's still room for improvement in terms of loading speeds and app stability during peak times. So, is the Chevron mobile app worth using in 2025? If you regularly visit Chevron stations and want to earn rewards while making your stops faster and more convenient, it's a smart download. It's not perfect, but the perks definitely make it worthwhile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. See you next one.